important tip, make sure that you pull off that plastic piece before you start warming any of this up. You do not want that plastic tip to burn. That will be stinky and no good for your soldering iron. Alright, so when we want to turn this on, the buttons are very simple and easy to understand. So we're going to push the power button and hold it, and that will turn it on. If you hold it for another 5 seconds, that turns it off. The plus and minus button is how you control the temperature, and plus for higher temperature, minus for lower temperature. Something that I do like about this one is that if the soldering iron is inactive, it's just being sat there for 10 minutes, it will go into standby mode by itself. So if it's greater than 392 degrees Fahrenheit, it will drop itself to that temperature, 392. If it is below 392 already, it just stays in standby mode at that temperature, which is cool because it's not just sitting there burning and burning on your soldering iron. But before you go ahead and start using this, you need to clean off the tip and you need to tin your soldering iron to make sure that this is going to be in the best shape for you to start working with.